Welcome to a new opening, and today we're gonna open up a display, a Digimon display, Digital Hazard EX2. It's a brand new set right now, and I thought, let's open it up. This is the first part, will be in English, the next part will be in German, so I'm gonna do the left side, and after that I'm gonna do the right side. The left side is English, the right side is German, so if you don't mind, you can check out the German version too. And if you're German, then yeah, you're in. So yeah, there's nothing left to say, so let's begin. Alright, now let's begin. Let's open up this box. I'm pretty excited because I wanna build a Terriermon deck because I love Terriermon. I mean, you see, I love Tentomon. That's my number one, but I also love Terriermon, and that's why I want to do a deck with it. Because Terriermon, since the first movie, Digimon, the first movie, so Digimon's movie, the European, the Western version. Western? Yes, Western version. When I first saw Terriermon Digivolve into Gargomon, it was mind-blowing. I loved that rabbit with gun arms, so yeah. Alright, let's see, what is our box topper? It's Mastermon! Woohoo! So, we have Mastermon over here for our box topper. Cool. Alright, then let's pick up the left side and open it up. Let's start with the first pack. And the first pack, I have to open it up from the bottom or top, because I cut it open for my collection. So I'm gonna open it up on the top because I said so. And the next one, I will open it up on the bottom, and after that I can rip off everything, so I can choose the one I like the most. So first we start with Growlmon. Oh yeah. Then we have Strike Dramon. Come on, camera, focus. Mephistomon. ADR08 Optimizer. High Speed Plug-in D. ADR06 Horn Striker. It's a D-Rebirth card, so. Offensive Plug-in A. Then we have ADR07 Pilates Head. Also a D-Reaper card. We have Gigimon. It's Gigimon. Digimon is another Digimon, so yeah, it's Gigimon. Oh, that little dinosaur. We have Taomon. We have Impmon. Cool. And Golfmon. Alright. What's the first pack? So let's open up the next one on the bottom, because I'm not quite sure if I want it in my collection when the bottom is open or the top. So yeah, let's try it this way, and after that I'm gonna rip it all open. So we have Ground Locomon. Gargomon! Yes, my first Terrier deck card. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So we have Andromon, and I love Andromon too. ADR04 Bubbles, another D-Reaper card. Then we have Ice Devimon, and I love this artwork. you can clearly see it's a Koki artwork, and it's awesome. I love the Koki artworks. Caesarmon, is it Caesarmon? Caesarmon? Yeah, Caesarmon. So I'm not quite sure because, well, I'm from Germany, so I know the German names. So yeah. We have a D-Reaper card again, number 6. Labramon. Fireball. Isn't it Pyrosphere or something like that? That's what I remember in the games. Pyrosphere. Then we have Reapermon. Is it rare? No, it's an uncommon. Reapermon. Full art. Awesome. Then we have Antilamon. And we have Ryo Akiyama. Okay, now let's rip it open. Oh, and before I continue, let me show you what I'm racing right now. Here, I have a Greymon. He's sleeping because it's 1:30 a.m. So, and on my Digivice version complete, I have my boy Tentomon. He's also sleeping. Bloop, bloop. Those sleeping Digimon. Alright, let's move on with Kyubimon, Locomon, Dividramon, Gorillamon. Another D-Reaper card, ADR-09 Gatekeeper, ADR-03 Pendulum Feet, High Speed Plug-in D, ADR-02 Searcher, Schauen, Alice McCoy. We have the Mother D-Reaper, or Reaper. And we have Gilmon. Alrighty, let's move on. Next pack. And we have Lopmon. And of course, you see, that's a Koki artwork. Growlmon. Strike Dramon. Fist of the Beast King. In German it's called Königsfaust. Because King means König and Faust means fist, so Königsfaust. Yeah. Digivolution plugin as okay. This is my first card for my deck. My second card, so I need more. We have ADR-08 Optimizer, ADR-05 Creep Hands. Come on, focus. Thank you. Then we have Offensive Plugin A again. Viximon, I think. Rapidmon, yes. Blue card. Ooh, that's a good card, I think. So, yes. And we have Cyberdramon. Okay. Let's move on with the next pack. We have Mephistomon, Ground Locomon, Gargomon, yes! I need some Terriermons. Well, Mother D-Reaper, D-Reaper, Plug-in A, D-Reaper, number 7, D-Reaper, number 4, Ice Devimon, Kazu Shioda, Taomon. Yeah, Henry Wong. Thank you, my first tamer. And Leomon, and that's also a sick artwork from Naochika Morishita. I think that's... I don't know if the pronunciation is right, but I love this artwork. It looks so awesome. It's a cool Leomon. So, now I'm getting some green cards. I need some babies, I think. Are there any baby Digimon for green in here? I think. There should be. So, we have Mephistomon, Grand Locomon, and we have a Gargomon. Where's my Terriermon? This is a Labramon. Then we have ADR02 Searcher. Pilates Head. Gorillamon. Fist of the Beast King. Gummymon, there it is. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. It's a good card. Then we have Jerry. Kato. I think she was called Jenny in the German version. Jenny Kato, I think. Then we have Dobermon. And we have Sakuyamon. Okay. Oh. I messed up with the... Okay, those are over here. There is over here. The commons over there. So now we are talking. So, let's move on. There's still some packs left. And there's still a lot of cards missing. So, let's move on with Andromon. Kyubimon. Locomon. Bubbles. Gatekeeper. Digivolution Plugin S. Awesome. Boop, boop. Awesome. Ice Devimon. Pendulum Feet. Hopmon. It's cute. Oh, it's a cute card. Cherry. Oh, yeah. It's the sinister Jenny. Then we have Rika. And after that, Mother D. Reaper. There she is. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. Come on. Give me my Terriermon cards. Devitramon. Lopmon. Growlmon. Optimizer. Caesarmon. High speed plug-in D. Oh, what am I doing? I mess everything up. This goes over there. Okay, now it's the right way. Okay, high speed plug-in D. Hands. Horn. Shu Chong Wong. In German, she was called Susie, so I'm not sure if her English name was also Susie, but she was so annoying. She was really annoying. Then Monodramon. Terriermon! Ah, finally! First Terriermon! Awesome. Love this card. I and Mako. Let's move on. My first Terriermon. Now there are 3 left. 3 left. So we have Strike-Dramon. Come on, focus. Focus. Strike-Dramon. Mephistomon. Ground Locomon. Offensive Plug-in A. Searcher. Gorillamon. Bubbles. Digivolution Plug-in S. Awesome. Yamon. That sneaky little Digimon. Oh, Motimon. So cute. Death Slinger. Then we have Renamon. Oh, that's a cool artwork. And with Gardromon. Cool. Last 3 packs for the left side. Can we get something good? Oh, we start with a good card. It's Gargomon. Perfect. Andromon. Cubimon. Pendulum Feet. Caesarmon. Creep Hands. Labramon. Head. Wargrowlmon. Our first Wargrowlmon. Awesome. Then we have Kenta Kitagawa. With the... Was it Marine Angemon? I think it's the small Angemon. The purple... No, not purple. I don't know. That small little cute thing. Takato Matsuki. Come to focus. Yeah. And Megidramon. Okay. Well, not what I wanted, but okay. I take it. But I'm still need some Terriermon cards. Like Mega Gargomon, Terriermon. Because I have none right now, so I need a lot of them. Locomon, Devidramon, Lopmon, Fist of the Beast King, Gatekeeper, Ice Devimon, Optimizer, High Speed Plug-in D, Parasitemon. Ooh, you may play this Digimon under one of your Digimon as its bottom Digivolution card. Okay. That's a Parasite. Maybe. Kazushioda. Kalumon. Awesome. That's also a card I need in my deck. Good. And there is Marine Angemon. Well, yeah. Alright, last pack for this video, for this part. Can we end with something good? Let's have a look. So, first of all, we have Growlmon, Strike-Dramon, Mephistomon, Ground Locomon, ADR-06 Horn Striker, Offensive Plug-in A, Head, Bubbles, Gigimon, Talmon, with Henry Wrong. Okay, that's good. Good card. I take it. And we have a Impmon. Alright, that's it. So we pulled no secret rare. We pulled a super rare. So let's hope for the best for the other side. So if you don't mind and have no problem with German, we see us in the next part. And if you don't, then well, we'll see us in the next opening video. So thanks for watching and we'll see us in the next video. Bye.